Welcome to you guys. Today we have a math challenge on the board. So we want to simplify this expression 25 to the power 3 divided by 4. Okay, before you go, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you love mathematics. Okay, here we go. We know that 25 is equals to 5 squared. So I'm going to replace this into this expression. So we have here 5 squared, all this to the power 3 on 4. And we know that a to the power n, or this to the power m, is equals to a to the power n times m. So we're going to apply this at this level. So we have 5 to the power 2 times 3 divided by 4. Okay, we can divide this by 2 and this by 2. So we have here 5 to the power 3 on 2. Okay, now we're going to write this in another way. So we know that 3 on 2 is still equals to 1 on 2 times 3. Okay, and now using this formula, we have here 5 to the power 1 on 2, all this cube. This is when we apply this formula at this level. Okay, now we know that 5 to the power half is still equals to the square root of 5, all this to the power 3. And we also know that this is also equals to the square root of 5 squared times the square root of 5. Okay, then we know that the square root of 5 squared is equals to 5, and this remain this. Okay, so this is the final expression. So 25 to the power 3 divided by 4 is equals to 5 square root of 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free.